like this house better. It's so much bigger. Yeah, I mean, it was so crowded at the last house. I mean, I have a perfectly good bed. So do I. It has a bunny on it. So? Hey, that's my line. Sorry. Yeah, so you gonna watch the fireworks? Yeah. I'm gonna watch the fireworks. I hope they make I hope they make the green ones. I like the green ones. Yeah, I like the sparkling ones. You know, they sparkle at the end. Yeah, so what the heck?
I came to the bed to pray. There's a price to pay. Time for you to get down on your knees.
You guys know who that is? No, we don't know who it is. Do you guys know who that is? No. Do you guys know? How the hell are we supposed to know? I don't know. Hey guys, is this the right place? Is this WrestleTopia? Yeah. Yeah, this is WrestleTopia. Yeah, Miss McMahon told me that I was supposed to go to, Suplex Drive. Do any of you guys know where that is? Yes. This is Clothesline Court, so, well, we know where it is though. It's past that big huge giant door and then just go through the big huge giant door thing and then just ask somebody there and they'll tell you where it is. Alright. Thanks. And one more thing. My name's The Miz. I'm The Miz. Hey, Miz. My name is Randy Orton. I'm John Cena. My name is The Undertaker. And I'm his brother, Kane. Oh. Well, you have too many tattoos, Tattoo Man. What? And you're not even, I don't even think you're from the army, so why do you have dog tags, moron? What? You just look creepy, you creepy man. And you, Baldy, what? Oh, I gotta give you a piece of my mind. No, and oh no, I'm gonna give you a piece of my mind because here, I'm gonna push you down. Ugh, oh! Thanks for giving me directions. I'm gonna wring his neck. What just happened? He pushed us over, you idiot. We have to get back at him somehow. Not by strangling him to death, okay, Taker? Yes, we must get back at him. What are you guys doing? We're watching Charlie Brown! Oh. Hey, why did you shut it off? Yeah, we were getting to the best part. Guys, shut up for a moment. We need your help. With what? We need you to prank somebody. You came to the right place. Pranking is what we do best. But you have to have a pranking fee. Pranking fee? Yeah. Yes. Sean, would you like to tell him what the price amount is? Yeah, $50. What? What, are you guys crazy? That's a fortune. Do it or no pranking. Oh, here's your $50. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. All right. We'll prank him as soon as possible. What's his name? The Miz. The Miz. Okay, what does he look like? He has red underwear. What? Sorry, red trunks. Oh, okay. Hey, you guys. My name is The Miz. I'm Edge, and this is Christian. We've been friends for 27 years. That's good. Well, both of you stink. What? Why? Why would you do that to us? Are you ready, man? Always ready. Let's do this. So you're Canadians, right? We did it! Yeah, we did it. Yeah. That was a great 4th of July prank. Yeah, considering today is 4th of July. Yeah, buddy. I love you, Mickey James. I love you too, Evan. I hope they I hope they do the fireworks as a heart. And then with you and with my face and your face in it. I don't think they're going to do that, Evan. So they might do it with my chi. So you can control people what to do with your chi. Yeah, I can control people with my chi. It's like the Force. Oh. I can read your mind right now. I can read your mind anytime. That's creepy. Sorry. I'm so glad you moved in with me. I'm so glad I moved in with you too, Evan. I'm so disappointed it's 4th of July because we forgot to put our flag up for Canada Day. Yeah, hey. I guess we could just still do it, eh? I mean, it's still technically Canada Day. You know what? You're right, man. Let's do it. Reminds us of home. How about you know what? We should invite everybody to our 4th of July barbecue and then watch the fireworks afterwards. That's a great idea, Hunter. Let's go do it. How would you like to come over to our barbecue and watch the fireworks afterwards? Yeah, free food and free fireworks. Alright, sure. Good. Hey, we were wondering, would you like to go to our 4th of July barbecue and then watch the fireworks afterwards? Alright, yeah, that would be great, eh? Why do they always say, eh? We'll tell you that's a story that we could tell you at a different time. Okay. Even though we pranked you earlier today, you can still come to our barbecue and watch the fireworks afterwards. Yes. Hey, it's like a record for us. Everybody said yes. Since you're an Englander, British. I am British. Okay, British. Would you like to come to our? Would you like to come to our barbecue and then watch the fireworks afterwards? Let me think about this. No. I have some English business to take care of. Oh, man. What? Oh, the record has been broken. So it's a yes, 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 no. Dang it.